without Jesus in your life. So you see, today, out of my mother body, they make you know, say, if you don't know God, you don't get to know God. Because say the product of God, yeah, because my old lady raised me up in that manner. This woman here put on the gloves, the boxing gloves, and show I how to fight life. When I say, this woman here put on the gloves and show I how to strive and survive in a life. So when I don't hear Shabbat say, boy, I'm loving mother. And I man work hard in a life to make sure say I'm mother alright. I see I only work hard in a life to make I alright. Because means a youth will go in the ghetto. But me don't know what ghetto life is. Because my mother made sure that she worked hard for her 7 children. And not only her 7 children, but everyone else children. Because some you know my mother never yet cook a pot of food and her 7 people alone ate that. Everybody else come in and get a plate. And her favorite word to me is, give to all the people you can, as long as you can, however you can. Mama, she never know. Now she not rest in peace, and she stand up in her glory. Because God opened up the red carpet and said, welcome home. This is a woman who live her life in a joyful way. I don't know one day where I see a old lady and the farmer animosity against no one. You see me I deal with? It's a woman who show I love, empathy. It's a woman who show I say, listen to me. Let me go on drama. You answer one time when I was like, say, 14, 15 years old. And I struggled with this music and to make this music be something. There was prominent people within this music that tried to stop I. Everything I tried to do, them tried to stop I. It happened where we're supposed to go foreign. And a man bounced me out and said, don't carry Shabbat go foreign because I'm going to run away. And I walk from Jammies, go straight to Seaview. It's a long walk. That. And it's taxi I take go to Jammies. And when I reach in my house, I look at my mother and I say to my mother, say, hear me no man, me done the music. I straight kill people and badness. And she said, what? Kill people and badness? Let me tell you something. No murder on in my generation. No blood murder on my generation. And to owe me love you as a son. Don't make me cry. You see, anywhere you did come from, and I talk about kill, go back there, go work harder. Because when God open up for your door, nobody can close it. And we sit down in front of her and she says, sit down here, sir. Cry if you want, cry. Bawl if you want, bawl. Holla if you want, holla. But remember, say, it's only love of God can bring you through. You hear me, woman? I thank you for everything that you have done for me. Everything that you have done for me, I thank you. And the reason why I don't cry over is because I know I live my life and I know say I mother know say I love her. Because if it comes to I lose I life for she live, would have dead for she live, brother. Would have dead for she live, sisters. There is nothing too great where I could not give to my mother. The only thing I could not give to her is the pearly gate open up so she can see Jesus' face. I love my wife. And the reason why I love my wife is because I love my mother first. My mother is my first girlfriend. So she teaches me how to love my wife. People, I love you. God bless you. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the support. God bless. And especially the church people then. In the mighty name of Jesus, we love you. Yeah.